Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. Or welcome if you're new. In today's video it's time for day 2 of our Junk Journal July challenge, where the prompt is postcard. So let's make a good cup of coffee to let the creative juices flowing, and then let's open up our cute handmade journal and start for day number 2 of Make Journal's Junk Journal July challenge. If you want to see me create this journal or what I did on day 1, I will leave a link to all the previous videos in the description down below. For the prompt of postcards, I thought it would be fitting to just take one of the postcards that I included in my envelope part of the junk journal and create something on the back side of it. I thought a bit what I could draw and just decided to do a simple portrait drawing. That's what you can see me create here. Just create some art on the back side of the postcard and call it a day. That was my first idea for today's prompt. But while I was creating the drawing on the postcard, I also thought about just including some words and some more regular journaling stuff into today's prompt. That's why I will do another little bit after finishing this portrait here. So today's prompt is kind of 2 pages for one day. I just was in a good mood and had some more ideas for that prompt, so why not? It's also what I want to do with this challenge, do whatever comes to mind and just not regulate myself, isn't even a word. Not put too much pressure on myself and not to get myself too strict into boundaries. The challenge to do something creative daily in this journal with a daily prompt is enough regulations and stuff, so I'm just going with the flow and filling up the journal, and maybe even sometimes in the future, if another prompt comes up and it fits to something that I did some days prior, I will come back to it and add to a page, or we will see. I just want to see where it takes me and just add something here and there. And now I'm just collaging those old letters and postcards that came with the Junk Journal July little intro prompt that I got from Get Messy and Make Journals, and I just used the paper and letter stuff to write a letter to myself. The quote that I include on the postcard here is something that I found on Pinterest. I'm saving some of the stuff I want to include in my journals on Pinterest when I come across a quote that I really like. Now I thought it would be fitting to add it here. So, are you participating in Junk Journal July? If you do so, let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. How is your journaling process going so far? How was day 1 for you? And if you haven't started yet, maybe join us in our little challenge, join the community and create alongside with us all this July. It's not too late. Day 2 is something you could easily catch up. So I'm challenging you. Join us, join me in this creative challenge and create something today or even tomorrow. I will be coming back tomorrow to keep you company again. Until then, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.